Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to Math for Today. In today's lesson, I'm going to be introducing you to a new game called Battling Bugs. Now, for our kids that were already virtual before our school went virtual, you've already played this game. So this will be an opportunity for you to practice again. So if you don't want to listen to the lesson and watch the instructional videos, feel free to check out for now. But if you want to keep watching me because you miss me and teaching you face to face, then by all means follow along. I miss you too. I want you to take a look at the display here. The game is called Battling Bugs. What do you notice or observe about this recording sheet? Do you have any predictions about how the game might be played? Now, hold those predictions in your head, and I'm going to walk us through a few situations in which we have teams playing against each other. Let's just use football. Football is a common sport played in the fall. And I'm going to imagine the Vikings are playing the Packers. Go Pack. Woo-hoo. And at the end of the first quarter, the Packers had 7 points. And the Vikings had 3 points. Who was winning? You might say the Packers were winning, or the Packers were ahead. How do you know how much they were winning by? I realize the red might be blending in with my shirt. You might be thinking 4. I know it's 4 because I see 3 and then I say 4, 5, 6, 7. I see 4 more beads. Okay. Now, can you see how many more points do the Vikings need to catch up with the Packers? There's the equal group. There's the even number. The Vikings would need 4 more points. Bear with me here. So one of the ways people describe the difference between two numbers is to use a subtraction equation. I'm going to write one down and read it to you. I'm going to move over here so you don't see that game. So we have let's do this. The difference between 7 and 3 is 4. Talk with a person in your room right now at home. Does this make sense? You might be thinking, I thought that was supposed to be 7 take away 3 makes 4. I don't get it. Well, it's a little confusing, but the game we're going to play today will help you understand that subtraction can help us find out how many are left if we take some away, but it can also help us find the difference between two numbers. Let's try one more. I'll use my number rack first. Okay, let's say now the Packers, what did they have? 7? Okay, Packers had 7. They scored a field goal. Do you get 3 points for that? I'm not sure. in my world, they're going to get 3 points. So Packers are now at 10 points, and the Vikings are now at 4. What is the difference between 10 and 4? How many more points will the Vikings need to catch up to the Packers now? If I were to write that on the board, it would be 10 minus 4 equals. I want to find the difference between those numbers. Using a picture often helps. What did you find? Did you get 6? That is the difference. Now, to explain the game quickly, I'll show you over here. Battling bugs. First, we need to decide who's going to play for the spider. And I'm going to make you, class, you're going to be the spider. And I'm going to play for the fly. All right, we're going to take turns rolling 2 dice. I have my dice right here. And every round that we play, we're going to roll. Okay, add the numbers together and record the result by coloring the 10 strip and writing the sum. After 3 rounds, 1, 2, 3, we'll work together to find the total score for each team. Then we'll color in the trains at the bottom of the sheet to show our totals and compare them to find out which team won and by how much. All right, here we go. No, you can't see my dice, but I got 4 and 1, class. What would that be? 5. So I'm going to color in 5 quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see that dark break apart stick, so I could color in that 5 quickly. Okay, I'm going to use a different color. My turn. I rolled 5 and a 1. 5 plus 1. There's my 5. Plus 1 more would be 6. Okay, class. You rolled 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 is, let's see, there's our 6. Plus 2 more would be 8. My turn. Ooh, I rolled a 6 and a 4. 6 plus 4 equals, you're right, 10. So far, who's in the lead? You or me? All right, class. I'm honest. I'm always honest because cheaters never win and winners never cheat. Class, you rolled 1 plus 1. I'm sorry. And my turn. I rolled 4 and a 5. What's 4 plus 5? 4 plus 5 more. What's 1 less than 10? 9. Okay, whew. Are we tired out, spiders? flies. Good game. Now let's add up our points. Spiders, your points were 5, 8, and 2. How could we do that quickly? Well, I know 8 and 2 are partners of 10, so 10 plus 5 more would be 15. Now let's add up the flies, my points. We have 6 plus 10 plus 9 more. How can we figure that one out? Well, if I know 10 plus 9, that's 19, but I'm just going to make it 20 for now. In my head, I'm doing my mental math out loud. 10 plus 10 would be 20. 6 more would be 26, but I need to minus that 1 off, so 25 points. So from this, I can see which is bigger, 15 or 25? 25. But there's one more step down here that you can't see because my document camera didn't go all the way down. Down here is a good way for you to check off those numbers in a different way. So spider, we're going to color in. First you had 5 points. Fill in those boxes. Get another color. Then you had 8 points. So 5, 6, 7, 8 points. You can color them in on your own. I'm just trying to save time. And then the last round you had 2 points. 1, 2. Now, this train is a good visual for you to see, and you can count by 5s now. 5, 10, 15. You ended at that last slash mark. Now, the last thing on that page are some boxes. They'll say spiders score minus fly score, or the other way around, to be able to find the difference. What is the difference? How many points did I win by? How many more points would you need to have scored to tie or beat me? So that's the final thing that's on the bottom. All right, that is how we play Battling Bugs. After watching this video, you can go into the activity and you'll see a short instructional video on how to play the game if you need a reminder, or you can just go right to the game itself and you can play digitally and roll the dice on the computer screen and fill it in that way. Or I also uploaded, I attached it as a template, this same scoring sheet, so if you have a printer you can print it out and play at home that way. Play as many rounds as you like. Play it with your mom, play it with your brother, play it with your dog, and have fun battling each other out. I hope you have a great day. Take care.